Yeah, you can. Okay, it's already recording.
Recording.
You'll be there?
Oh.
Yeah.
Ay, kasan you're coming with us?
No.
Why?
I haven't got 200 baht yet.
Oh, let me do the QR code.
But I will go back when I have it.
Ah, okay, okay. Say hi to your husband.
And after, so after Chico-san friendship, even Aiko-san also cracking jokes.
So this is first of all, thank you for Piti for the notebook.
I should keep it
This-
earlier, no?
This become the scrapbook. So
Wow.
later on my bed, I will hug
Yes.
this as I sleep.
Read it every day.
The money, not the gold.
Not the gold. I already sold it. Okay, next problem.
You have so many gifts.
No worry, Chico-san, we can have something. We can carry some gifts.
Ah.
If you are, it's like.
Okay, so the calendar I will take home.
You are not living it.
Anything, you know?
Any plan to take this table and chair?
I think the
You
my
will
clearance
be
will not
caught
be
by the
spotted.
security.
Yeah, thank you very much. Please allow me to leave this. This is Ambar-san gift.
Oh.
That's why
Thank you
we're
very
keeping
much,
it there.
Aiko-san. I will use this to wipe my tears later. So Nagusan can carry the boxes.
Yeah, I can carry to my home.
Let me now try to put it in Thank you very much. No? I'm very hungry already. I'm so excited to what.
I leave it there.
Okay, that's that.
Do you have the bag to carry?
Nagusan. I can, not like this. Okay.
Give.
So,
I can video you when you last day working.
alright, yeah, that's
Ah.
good, no?
What about those two bags?
Oh no, these are actually for disposal.
Oh, you can put.
I can leave now.
Mm.
Or should I bring to Philippines?
No, this one you can keep it over there. And
Ah, okay.
you can put it there.
Very bad idea, no?
Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time.
Yeah, you too. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Good luck now.
Okay. Okay, let's keep in touch.
I'm the video man, cameraman.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. The last day of Chico-san.
It's very irritating in my eyes. Some irritants.
Be careful. Don't go.
I think this is okay already. Thank you very much.
No, until you.
Until I go down. Okay, okay. But can I tell you a secret?
Uh-huh.
But I think they will. It's not allowed to take video. So let me. They may.
And also, you're not supposed